checking out my channel, watching my video today. I actually was cleaning out a closet and I found my old ice cream maker. I bought years ago. I bought a Cuisinart ice cream maker where you put the container in the freezer, and it's, you know, it's not like the old timey where you use rock salt and ice and you cranked it or you plugged it in. This one's really easy to use. But I didn't want to make ice cream. I wanted to make frozen yogurt. So I started looking online and I found a recipe for a really simple frozen yogurt. It's really tart, which I like. I don't like the creamy, thick, custard-like yogurt. I want it like kind of sharp and tart. There's a place in Baton Rouge that sells it called Yogurtland, and it's really kind of sour almost, but it's so good. So anyway, I found a recipe and tried it and really loved it, so I thought I'd make it for you guys. Give it a try. I am making plain. I'm not even putting vanilla in it. I like the sour, like I said. If you like it not so sour, throw a little more sugar in there. Throw some honey in there. You can puree fruit, throw that in there. Chocolate chips at the end, fold that in there. Give it a try. Tell me what you think about it. If you like it, I'd love to hear from you. If you don't, I'd also like to hear that too. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. You guys have a great week. Into the bowl, we're going to mix 32 ounces of yogurt. This is 1 quart of yogurt, and I just use the plain non-fat yogurt. 3/4 a cup of sugar, white sugar. And because of the high water content, we're going to put a 1/2 cup of cream. We're going to whisk this together. Until it's smooth-ish. It will mix in the ice cream maker. Taste it for sweetness. Perfect. I like it tangy. We're going to cover this with plastic wrap and stick it in the refrigerator for about an hour to get cold. Most frozen yogurts that you make at home call for Greek yogurt. We're not using Greek, we're just using regular low-fat plain yogurt. The problem with using this is that it's got a high water content. So when it freezes, it's going to get a lot of crystals. In order to compensate that, we're going to put some whole cream in there. Not a lot, just a 1/2 cup. But that's going to give it the creaminess and minus the ice crystals. So while our ingredients are chilling, we also want to put our end-up container, what we're going to end up freezing it in the freezer. This is my Tupperware container. I'm going to stick it in the freezer because you want to get it cold. So once it comes from the ice cream maker, it'll go directly into a cold container. So this is my ice cream container. It's frozen. It's the one that came with the maker. This ice cream maker is really old. So it's kind of turned yellow over its years. We're going to scoop our cooled mixture into the container without making a mess. Just like that. Your blade will go in just like that. Now, your maker. We'll set that on the ice cream maker. You put your lid on, lock it in place, and hit go for 20 minutes. If you want to add chocolate chips or something like that, you want to do that at the end where you can fold it in. Fruit, things like that, you would mush up and mix in before, unless you want chunks, which you would fold in. Should you want to add a flavor like vanilla, this would be the time to add it. You can just pour it into the little top part. The ice cream is done. And if you look, let me turn it back on so you can see. That's what we're looking for. So we're going to scoop that out into our cold container. take out your paddle. This is where you would stir in your chocolate chips or chunky fruit, anything like that. It's really cold, this container, so I'm gonna scoop it like this. The rest of that is for me to eat. All right. This is going to immediately go into the freezer for about 2 to 3 hours to cure. And that's it. Serve it like traditional ice cream. Put your toppings on it if you want it, or just eat it plain. Enjoy.